Okay, Bobby, let's move on to your moist and easy cornbread, son.
I know you know cornbread, so help me with this and make sure that this recipe's good. So if there's anything about it that you don't like.
I know it's good, son. I know it is. All right, well, I'm going to start with your dry ingredients. And I'm thinking you're going to get up your wet.
I got the wet stuff.
And you told me one cup of...
1 cup.
Of yellow cornmeal.
That's right.
Okay.
And I've got 1.5 cups of buttermilk here to start. Okay.
You know, buttermilk just makes all the difference in the world, y'all, in cornbreads. And you said 3/4 a cup of all-purpose flour,
That's
right?
And I'm adding 2 eggs.
Here we go.
And I'm adding 6 tablespoons of melted butter.
Bobby, I love the way this recipe sounds, sonny boy.
Well, who don't love a good cornbread?
Yeah. All right, now, you said a tablespoon of sugar, which is really good. All right, and I'm gonna put just a little bit of salt.
All right, comes in handy. You don't have towels anywhere in your kitchen.
Well, isn't that funny? You use mine anytime you want to, okay?
That's what I'm gonna do.
But to eat this along with a meal, I love the tablespoon of sugar.
And I got 2 more things to add to that. 1.5 teaspoons baking powder.
Yeah, because this is gonna make it rise up fluffy, y'all. And because we're using buttermilk, you're gonna need some soda.
And then 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
Yes.
And we're gonna combine these 2 together.
Okay.
You ready?
I'm ready. There you go, son. This looks wonderful. I love good cornbread.
I like it too, and I like to do different things with cornbread. I like to sometimes do it with jalapenos in it.
Yes, I do too.
Like Mexican style.
All right, now you got your square pan up there. I think you're gonna just spray it. Okay, there you go.
I know you've always done yours in cast iron.
I do. You know, I always put a little shortening or peanut oil or vegetable oil in my skillet and put it in the oven and get it real hot. So when I pour it in, it makes that real crust, you know?
Already starts cooking right when you put it in, doesn't it? Well, today we're gonna do it in a casserole dish.
And I like that.
And I've just sprayed it with a little pan coat.
I ain't saying, I'm just saying. Like I said, I'm just saying.
Well, I asked for it and I'm getting it.
And this looks yummy.
That looks great. I'm gonna cook it at 425 for 25 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop it in the oven.
Okie doke. All right, well, here's your napkin.
Okay.
All right, sonny boy, throw it over your shoulder. All right, son, if you would cut our cornbread.
Let's see. Perfect. That is some good looking cornbread right there, buddy.
Bobby, I think that's better cornbread than I usually make.
You think so?
Yes, I mean, it looks fabulous.
Oh, yes,
and you see what I'm going for first.
Please butter mine, too.
You want yours just like mine?
Well, I only want 1/2 stick of butter.
Look at that cornbread, y'all.
Ooh, that barbecue chicken is so good. You like it?
I believe it might be better than mine.
It really makes me happy. I believe that is better than yours.
Well, thank you, son.
Well, you're welcome. One more time. Golly, that's great. This is my kind of meal.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.